Hello everyone, this is Mr. Jackson. We want to solve problem number 4 on the homework for math, Thursday, September 7th, 2012. And we have two operations here. We have addition and we have subtraction. And we may have to regroup when we are solving these. Just remember that for addition, when you regroup, it is called carrying. And when you regroup in subtraction, it's called borrowing. So we'll start with the addition problem. Whenever we add or subtract, we always begin with the smallest place value, which is the ones place. So we have 0 ones plus 2 ones is 2 ones. 2 tens plus 8 tens is 10 tens. So what we would do is we'd place a 0 and we carry the 1. Now the reason why we do that is to think of 10 $1 bills. That's the same as one $10 bill. So you have no more ones and you have one $10 bill. In this case, we have 10 $10 bills, which is the same as one $100 bill. So 10 of those makes one of these. So that's why we carry the 1. Now we add 100 to 900 and we get 1000. And we add 1000 to 400 and we get 1400s. And the concept is the same. We'll keep our 400s and the other 10 will carry over because 10 hundredths makes 1,000. 10 of those makes one of these. Now we're in the thousands place, so we're going to go ahead and mark off that ones period from the thousands period with a comma, and we'll add our thousands. 1,000 plus 8,000 is 9,000, and 9,000 plus 7,000 is 16,000. So we'll keep our 6, we'll carry our 1, because 10 thousands makes 1 10,000. Now we'll add 1 10,000 plus 3 10,000s, and we'll get 4 10,000s, plus 2 more 10,000s. That will be 6 10,000s. So 38,920 plus 27,482 equals 66,402. Now the two numbers you add together are called add-ins. And of course, your answer in addition is called a sum. Now in subtraction, the number you start with is called your minuend, M-I-N-U-E-N-D. The number you want to take away or subtract from what you start with is called a subtrahend, S-U-B-T-R-A-H-E-N-D. And your answer in subtraction is called a difference. So what you're actually doing is looking for the difference between 93,271 and 24,648. We'll start with the smallest place value, which is the ones place, and you'll notice you cannot take 8 ones from 1 1. So what you'll have to do is regroup. You'll have to borrow from your tens place. Think of it as going to the store and trying to buy an item that costs $8 and you only have $1. You're not going to be able to afford it unless you borrow or get more money. So we'll go to the tens place. We have 7 tens here. If we borrow one of these tens, we'll have 6 tens left. Now remember, one of these is 10 of those when you're subtracting. And over here in addition, 10 of those makes one of these. Okay? So we'll take that 10 that we borrowed and we'll turn it into 10 ones, just like going to the bank with a $10 bill and getting 10 $1 bills in change. And we already had 1 1 to start with, so the 10 ones that we just got, 1 1 equals 11 ones. So that's why we cross out this 1 and make it an 11. We're actually borrowing 10, adding 10 to 1, and we have 11. Now 11 ones minus 8 ones is 3 ones. 6 tens minus 4 tens, you can do that, and your difference would be 2 tens. Now you can't take 600s from 200s, so you use the same process. You're going to borrow, this time from the thousands place. We have 3 thousands, and if we borrow 1, we'll have 2 thousands left. One of these is 10 of those, plus the 2 we already have would be 12. 12 hundredths because we're in the hundreds place. And of course 1200 minus 600 is 600. We'll put our comma to separate our thousands period from our ones period. And we'll notice we can't take 4 thousands from 2 thousands. So we'll borrow from our 10 thousands place. We have 9 10 thousands. If we borrow 1, we'll have 8 10 thousands left. And one of these is 10 of those. So the one that we borrowed, we'll turn it into 10 thousands and add it to these 2 thousands that we already had. That will give us 12 thousands. 12 thousandths minus 4 thousandths equals 8 thousandths. 8 10,000ths minus 2 10,000ths is 6 10,000ths. So 93,271 minus 24,648 equals 68,623. The numbers you add are add-ins, and the answer to an addition problem is called a sum. When you subtract, your minuend is what you start with, your subtrahend is what you take away, and your difference is the answer. So regrouping in addition is called carrying, in subtraction is called borrowing. Just remember, in addition, 10 of those makes one of these. In subtraction, one of these is 10 of those. All right, if you have any more questions, just email me at ClassJump. Thank you.